Methane. Methane is the simplest hydrocarbon. The molecule consists of a carbon atom to which are attached 4 hydrogen atoms. Because it is first collected in swamps, methane became known as swamp gas. Termites constitute a big source of its production, which produce annually 170 million tons of methane. It also is produced in some waste treatment processes, and in commercial scale it is obtained from natural gas. It's found in the natural gas between 75% and 90%. At room temperature, it is a gas and it's present in the atmosphere. Methane is used in the chemical industry as a raw material for the production of multiple synthetic products. In recent years, it has been successfully applied as an alternative energy source on a small scale, generating it from agricultural organic waste. Methane is thus a compound of carbon and hydrogen, which formula is CH4, with the characteristic that it is lighter than air, colorless, odorless, and flammable. Thus, the concentration of methane in the atmosphere has suffered in the last century a significant and sustained increase, about 1% per year, a cause of human activities. Their physical and chemical properties and its presence in the atmosphere included it in the group of greenhouse gases, ranking in the second place behind carbon dioxide and contributing 15% to global warming. Furthermore, it was observed that methane deteriorates the capacity of the atmosphere self-cleaning. In conclusion, the main sources of methane are the decomposition of organic waste by 28%, natural sources by 23%, the extraction of fossil fuels by 20%, the processes in digestion and defecation of animals by 17%, the bacteria in rice by 12%, and is produced in nature as the end product of anaerobic plant putrefaction. It is also known that prolonged inhalation of methane gas can cause suffocation by reducing oxygen content in the air, resulting in unconsciousness and even death. Citizens are not normally exposed to emissions of methane gas to the point that inhalation hurt them. However, leaks of the gas in carbon mines are the cause of many deaths that we still have not been able to control. Similarly, methane is an extremely flammable substance and, at contact with air, is explosive, producing fires if they are hit in pockets. However, controlling methane emissions is part of the European strategy to combat the effects of climate change. Nowadays, they have implanted alternatives to methane emissions which involve the recovery and use of methane as fuel to generate electricity, as it is the second component responsible for global warming. Therefore, reducing methane emissions is included among the commitments made within the European Strategy 20, which consists in reducing emissions of greenhouse gases by 20% in comparison to the 90s.